Welcome, I'm Uliana if you're new here. This is a short stretch for the neck, shoulders and upper back. You don't need a yoga mat for this practice, just sit down on the floor in comfortable cross-legged seat. Maybe place a blanket or a cushion underneath your hips to make it more comfortable. Relax your shoulders down away from the ears. Place your hands somewhere on your legs where they feel comfortable. Move your head to the left, chin over shoulder. Then move it to the right. And keep moving it side to side, warming up the neck. Bring your head back to center. Lower your right ear towards your right shoulder. Then left ear to left shoulder. And keep moving like this, side to side. Try to keep your shoulders relaxed as you do this move. Bring your head back to center. Let's do some shoulder rolls. Roll your shoulders up, back and down. Big shoulder circles. Change direction, a few more to the other side. This move is simple but very effective for the shoulders. Now place your right hand down on the floor. Reach your right arm up and over for side bend. Hips stay grounded on the mat. Reach up through your upper hand for big side stretch. From here, bend forward to your right knee. Place your left hand far forward so that you feel some stretch on the upper back, more on the side. You can also release your forehead down to your knee if it reaches. Come up to seated, same on the other side, left hand on the mat, right arm reaches up and over. One more breath here. Then bend forward to your left knee. Walk your right fingertips far forward. Find the stretch on the back. One more breath. And come back to seated. For next one, place your hands or fingertips behind you. Lift your chest up for a stretch on the front of the shoulders and chest. The further away the hands are from the sit bones, the deeper the stretch will be. Breathe here into the chest, lifting it up a little higher with each inhale. One more big breath in, and as you breathe out, release. Bring your arms forward, cross your right arm underneath your left, and bring your palms together, or place your hands on your shoulders for modification. Keep your shoulders down and lift your elbows a little higher. Notice the stretch on the upper back, on the shoulders. breathe into that spot, trying to create more space there. Release your arms and then bring them the other way around, left arm underneath your right. Find the position on this side that works for you and hold. Release your arms. And let's do one more neck stretch. Lower your right ear to your right shoulder and try to keep your left shoulder down. Find the stretch on the side of the neck, hold there. Then rotate your head so that you look more down to your right knee, just to change the angle so that you feel the stretch on the different part of the neck. You can also place your hand up on the head to feel a deeper stretch. And then release, switch to the other side, drop your left ear to your left shoulder, keep your right shoulder down as much as you can. Then rotate your head, look down to your left knee, and maybe place your left hand down to deepen the stretch. Last breath here. And then release, bring your head back to center. Notice if you feel any difference in your upper body. And let me know in the comments if you do. Thanks for practicing with me. See you in the next video. Bye!